Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Now, mornings can be very stressful for a lot of people, thinking about the to do list or rushing towards work at the right time. But if you ask me, mornings are the favorite part of the day. So, here are a few simple, healthy morning habits that I like to strictly follow every single day, which I would like to tell you all. So let's get started. I'm adamantly against rushing up things in the morning because our entire day is a reflection of how we start our day. So take it easy, but as soon as you wake up, make your bed. It's also very important to hydrate yourself throughout the day, but very importantly, when you wake up, you should always hydrate yourself and drink at least 2 glasses of water because that's going to rehydrate you for the following day. So I definitely drink 2 full glasses of hot water before starting the day, and I love to start by soaking in some natural light. This just makes me so much more positive. It's also very imperative to move your body every single day. Now, many of us want to do this, but we are not able to do it. But it's really important to sweat it out in whatever way possible. You can dance, do yoga, aerobics, or interval training, whatever works for you. This personally makes my entire day all the more productive. Take your vitamins. Now, ever since pandemic started, it has become such a routinary thing in me that I follow every single day to take my multivitamin blend as per the daily requirement. And for that, I take the Daily Multi Strips by Setu Nutrition. These are oral dissolving strips that are easy to consume and absorb very quickly. Now what this does is this promotes overall health and wellness by filling in the nutritive gaps, and also these strips are non-comedogenic and are made with natural stevia. Even when you're in a hurry, you can just place one strip on your tongue after breakfast and allow it to dissolve. This has got 50% of daily requirement of vitamin C, 11 essential vitamins, and zinc to support innate and adaptive immunity. By the intake of these strips, you will notice that your energy levels will be much better than before, and you will never feel low on energy or fatigue for that matter. In fact, it will help in better concentration and you can hit the ground running. Have a wholesome breakfast. Make sure to have a nutritious breakfast because that's going to kick off our energy levels and will also keep our mental focus in check. Have poha, eggs, fruits, or even a wholesome sandwich. Any of this works amazingly well. Now, another thing that I really like to do is check in with me before I actually sit down to work. Give yourself 10 minutes and just to know what is going around you. Is there something that's bothering you? How are you feeling? And what are the things to make you feel better? Visualize your day so that you have your checklist in control. Now, you can always do this early in the morning before starting the day, but it's always advisable to do this a night before because that's something that I do. I actually make a list of tasks that I have to do for the subsequent day, and in the mornings, I just visualize how I'm going to get those tasks done for that particular day. Another good habit is to keep your space organized and clean. Now, this is something I swear by. Keep your spaces organized and super clean, be it your coffee table, your dining table, your workstation, because this is going to make you feel much more happy, very much oriented and sorted in your head. And there you have it, healthy morning habits. So you know the drill, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button for more notifications from me. Also, I will have all the links in the description box below, especially of the Setu Daily Multi Strips because these are definitely a must-have for each one of us. So definitely check them out and let me know what you thought about it. I will see you very soon. Bye.